Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to June 23rd.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
Today's activity is DIY paper boats, a perfect blend of creativity and fun for a rainy day. Let's fold, float, and make lasting memories. Step 1. Gather and fold. Start by gathering a few sheets of paper, plain or colorful. Show your kids how to fold a simple paper boat. It's a great way to build focus and fine motor skills. Step 2. Decorate your boats. Let imaginations shine. Decorate your boats with colors, stickers, or even fun names. It's all about creativity and self-expression. Step 3. Launch and float. Time to launch your fleet. Find a safe puddle, a small stream, or even a bowl of water. Watch their faces light up as the boats glide across the water. Step 4. Race and play. Turn it into a game. Race your boats or see whose floats longest. It's fun, teaches patience and teamwork, and keeps everyone smiling. Step 5. Reflect and learn. Use this moment to talk about simple science, like why boats float. Try different shapes and let kids experiment with design and balance. Celebrate DIY paper boats by enjoying the rain with laughter, learning, and love. Turn simple paper into a family memory that floats forever. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.